All right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to do something today that I haven't done in a long time. And, you know, I think it's necessary for this guy and this channel. I'm about to go get Jimmy here from school. Man, I can't believe that kid's going to be a senior next year. Time flies when you're having fun, I guess. Anyway, Jimmy's not what this video is about. Anyway, yeah, I've been watching a channel for a couple months, and I really like the guy's content. The name of the channel is called Jeffreyrigged. Jeffreyrigged is a newer channel. He's got less than 1,000 subscribers. I think he's sitting at like, I don't know, almost 300 or something like that. But I'd like to see him get to 1,000 because he deserves it. He's got good content. He does a lot of cool shit. He put a lift in his garage that doesn't look like it has very high ceilings. I mean, if it helps him out, it helps him out. But man, that thing is... it's not a high ceiling garage at all. But anyway, he's a car channel. He does a lot of car stuff. He probably does other stuff too. But I've watched a lot of the car content and whatnot. I don't even remember what kind of car that thing is. He's got, is it an old Buick or an old Pontiac or something? I don't know. It might be an Oldsmobile. It's one of them old 70s cars. It's real big. It's awesome. Yeah, go check it out. And if you subscribe to his channel, just let him know I sent you. You know, I'm not getting anything out of it. I'm just trying to help the guy out. I'm trying to help him get to 1,000 subscribers and trying to get his name out there for him a little bit. But anyway, I got to go get that kid from school. So, yeah. I hate going into that school. Too much traffic. All right, guys.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to not miss any content like this. Because if you don't subscribe right now, do it. You'll miss a lot of our content.